In the exercise 4.3 first question, it is giving that you have to draw the graphical representation for each of the, for here it is each of the following linear equation in two variables. So it needs that graphical representation we have to do. Graphical representation. Remember, before we have to do the graphical representation, suppose now we want to do the graphical representation for this one. It means before we need to do the graphical representation, actually we have to make one of the table. We have to make the table. See, here I am making the table. See carefully how I am doing. Very easy thing. See, here it is x, here it is y. As you are all well known that the graphical representation, it will be a line, and everyone knows about it that to draw a line, how many points it is required? Only 2 points it is required. So for which to draw the graphical representation, 2 points it is sufficient. Actually 2 points it is sufficient. It means 2 solution it is sufficient. Actually, if you want extra one solution, you have to take it for the verification, otherwise checking purpose. Otherwise, only 2 it is sufficient. Understood or not understood? From next day onwards, whenever you will do any of the graphical representation of the linear equation in two variables, always you have to take only 2 solutions. But here for the checking, otherwise verification purpose, I am taking another one. See, one of the solution is, trick it was said, whenever x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Whenever y is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, and another one I am taking it as the 1 and 3. Another one I am taking it as the 1 and 3. And see how to draw the graphical representation. See everyone perfectly. Suppose this one it is our x coordinates, sorry, x axis, and this one it is our y axis. Here it is y prime. Here it is x prime. Does not mean that always we have to take it as the 0, 1, 2, 3 means whole number. Also you can take it as the negative also, no problem. Okay. See, as the highest one it is 4, here it is also highest it is 4, for which I am taking 1, 2, 3, here it is 4. 1, this one it is our 2, this one it is 3, this one it is our 4, and here it is the origin 0. Here it is also 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4. Listen, here it is one of the point it is 0, 4. So 0, 4 it is at here, x coordinate it is 0. Actually the coordinates are 0, 4 it is 1, 4, 0 it is another, and 1, 3 it is also another. So here this one it is the having the coordinates 0, 4, and this one having the coordinates 4, 0. Actually by joining the 2 it is sufficient, otherwise another I am taking it as the 1 and 3. 1, here it is 3. 1 and 3. You can see one thing, actually by joining the 2 points, we can draw the graphical representation, but here for the checking purpose I have taken the another solution. Just see, also the another solution it is also lies on the line. So for which according to our first property I said, whenever any of the solution you are getting, always that solution should be lie on the line. Here also 1, 3, I am getting it as the 1, 3 it is lies at here. And whenever you are drawing, here you have to write it as the x plus y, it is equal to 4, so that everyone can understand this line represent the linear equation in two variables, x plus y it is equal to 4. Easy or difficult, just say me how we have done this question. Next question also I am showing in the similar way, so that you will get much more confidence. See, next question it is given x plus y it is equal to double I question. We will do now double I question, and in the double I question also you have to make one table I am making. Here it is 2 it is sufficient, otherwise extra one I am doing. Okay, here it is x, this one it is our y. On putting x is equal to 0, minus y is equal to 2, it means y is our minus 2. On putting y is equal to x is equal to 0, sorry, here it is oppositely I have done. X is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2, and second one, it is on putting y is equal to 0, you will get it as the x is equal to 2. Another solution I am taking, suppose here it is 4, suppose here I am taking this one, it is 4, so it means this one it is x, I am taking it as the 4. Any value you can take. Suppose also if you want, I can take it as the 1, no problem. Okay, suppose x I am taking it as the 1, it means y should be, see, 1 minus y, it is equal to 2. So for which y it is equal to 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. Y is our minus 1. Understood or not understood? Then after, as we have already got the point means already we have got the solution. So here it is one of the point means one of the solution, it is our 0 2, next one it is our 2 0, next one it is our 1 minus 1. As everyone knows that to draw the graphical representation only 2 point it is sufficient, but here for the checking purpose we have taken the third point also. See, here it is 2 2 minus 1, so it means we have to draw the graphical representation in such a way. See, here the x coordinates are 0 2 1, so it means 1 2 it is sufficient, 1 highest one it is our 2. Here it is here it is the 0 1, then after here it is 1, this one it is our 2, here it is minus 1, here it is minus 2, here it is minus 1, here it is minus 2. Here it is the x-axis, this one it is our x prime, this one it is our y-axis, this one it is our y prime, and this one it is our origin 0. So first one it is our 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, see, 0 minus 2 means it is a point, it is at here, 0 minus 2. Ready? Then after 2 0, 2 0 it is a point, it is at here, 2 0. Then 1 minus 1, then after 1 it is at here, minus 1 it is at here, 1 minus 1. See, this one it is the point of coordinates 1 minus 1. Whenever you will draw, actually from here to here, if you will join the two, any two, and you are drawing, always you can find that the another solution, otherwise another point, if you get 100% that solution also, solution otherwise that point 100% lies on the line also. So for which this one it is the line which represents x minus y, it is our 2. Understood? Understood perfectly. Now I will do the graphical representation of the third one. See, third one, it is the interesting one of the different thing. You just have to see one thing. Whenever you are getting, see, remember one of the extra point. Whenever you are getting any of the variable, it is the multiples of the another. Previously not multiples, plus something, but here it is y, it is multiples of x. Why it is multiples of x? In that situation, always remember that line 100% passes through the origin. Whenever one variable can be expressed it as the multiples of the another variable, always one of the important thing you just have to remember that the linear means the line, otherwise the graphical representation, that line always passes through the origin. Okay, so let's have a check. Here it is, see. See, here it is also another one I am taking. Here it is x, here it is y. Y it is already 3x. So whenever x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Whenever x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. No need to put the second time y is equal to 0. If you will put y is equal to 0, you will also get x is equal to 0. So for which, by closing your eyes, whenever one it is the multiples of the another, always you will see that on putting 1 0, another 1 it will be 0. So thereafter x I am putting it as the 1, y becomes 3, x I am putting 2, y becomes 6. So for which in the graphical representation, see, in the graphical representation, here it is x, here it is x prime, here it is y, here it is our y prime. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As all are positive, this one it is also positive, for which I am taking the x first quadrant, because within the first quadrant everything can be shown. See, origin it is 0. See, first point it is 0 0 0 0 means this one it is the point 0 0. Then next one it is our 1 3 1 3, it is a point, it is at here 1 3 points. then after 2, then next one it is our 6, 2 6 point it is at here, this one it is our 2, then one it is our 6. Any 2 points you can join, any 2 points, either this one, otherwise this one, suppose you are joining this one and this one, see this one you have to join and you have to extend. So this one it is the line which represent the graphical representation of y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. Tell me, easy or difficult it is? How easy? Understood or not understood? Now we will do the last question. I hope the last question you can do. I hope the last question you can do. So for which the last question I am leaving. Now we will do the question number 2. Okay? See in the question number 2. Question number 2, it is one of the interesting question it is given. Previously linear equation it was given and it was said to us that we have to do the graphical representation. And for the graphical representation, it means 100% everyone knows. Graphical representation, it will be a line, and to draw a line, only 2 points it will be required. Only 2 points it will be required. But here it is given that one of the point it is given. One of the point it is given, its coordinates are given, and it is asked that you have to create two of the linear equation. You have to create the two of the linear equation, which whenever I will do the graphical representation, the two lines 100% it will passes through that point. Actually, remember one thing, important thing I am saying, to draw any of the line, minimum number of 2 points it will be required. Minimum number of 2 points it will be required. Important thing and easy thing I am saying. To draw any of the line, only 2 points are required. But whenever 1 point it is given and it is asked through 1 point, how many lines are possible? How many line can pass through a point? Listen, through a point, this one it is 1 point, 1 line, this one it is another 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 line. It means through a single point, infinite many number of a line can pass. Understood? And as the point it is common for each and every lines, and previously it was taught to us, any point lies on the line 100% is the solution of that line. So as the point it lies on every point, every line. So 100% the point is the solution for each of the line. Understood? Second one, it is how to formulate the linear equation. Okay, how to formulate the linear equation. Firstly, I said through a single point, infinite many lines can pass. See, here it is one of the point it is given. Easy trick I am saying. See, here it is one of the point. Many times the question may come 214. It is one of the point it is given. So here it is one of the point it is given, means this one it is our x, this one it is our y. So through 1 point, infinite many line can pass. So here it is one of the line we have to write. See, here it is x, this one it is our y, and already it was said the linear equation in two variable, its form should be ax plus by plus c, it is equal to 0. See, easy trick I am saying. First, always you have to add. See, acha, 2 plus 14 it is equal to how much? 16. 2 plus 14 it is equal to 16. Acha, 2 I used for whom? X, and 14 I have used for y. So for which here I am writing x plus y, it is equal to 16. It is one of the linear equation in two variables or not? It is one of the linear equation in two variables or not? Yes or no? How we formed, understood and not understood? Thereafter, another linear equation, suppose I am formulating. See, x minus y, it is equal to minus 12. So also one can write x minus y, it is equal to minus 12. It is another linear equation. It is another linear equation. Suppose one wants to form just like this. See, suppose I want to write 2 into 2 plus 3 into 14. It means 2 into 2 equal to 4. Here it is 3 into 14 equal to 42. 42, here it is 4, which is equal to 46. See how we can write the linear equation. See 2, here it is 2 means x, 2x plus 3y, it is our 46. So you can do the adjustment in your own way. Always you can formulate this one, but don't do just like this. So you will say that sir has added the x and y, subtracted x and y, then after x and y you cannot multiply. Why? Because the linear equation means its form it is said that ax and by, x and y terms separately we have to add. It means with the x you can multiply, with the y you can multiply anything, then after you can add the 2, otherwise you can do the subtraction of the 2. But multiplication we cannot do, and straightly division it is prohibited. Perfectly understood this one. So for we see here I have already got the two linear equation, this one, and here it is another 3 also. It is also drawn. Here it is how many more such lines are there and why? There are infinite many such lines are there. Here it is 1 line, 2 line, 3 line we have drawn, but here it is given that only 2 lines you have to create. Okay, but here it is, you know that infinite many such type of lines can be created. Why? Because we know that through a single point infinite many line can pass. Understood? This question I am leaving. Okay. Question number 3 it is given. It is related to one of our property. Okay, out of the 3 property we have to apply here one of the property. See, always you have to find out that property from our hints. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y, it is equal to this one. It means 3, 4 it is one of the point which lies on the graphical representation of this one. As you know that graphical representation of this linear equation and 2 variables, it will always be a line. As you know that the graphical representation always it will be a line, and this point lies on the line. Already written. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation, means this point lies on the line. As a point lies on the line, 100% that point be a solution of that linear equation, because one of the property I have said, any point lies on the line always be the solution of that linear equation. Solution means 100% it is satisfies. On putting the value it is satisfies. Okay, so from the hints I got it as the 3, 4 it is lies on this one. So for which 3, 4 satisfies the equation, satisfies the equation. So it means on putting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, left side of the equation must be same as the right side of the equation, for which I am writing 3, y means 4 into 4 is equal to ax means a into 3. Here it is plus 7. See, on solving you will get it as the 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Then after 3a into 3 means firstly it will be better that basically we have to write the numeral first, then after variable. A into 3 it means 3a. Okay, it will be better to here 3a. First it is the numeral, then after variable, then after 7. So how to find out the a? Just see, a is equal to 12 minus 7. It implies 5, it is equal to 3a, which implies 5 divided by 3, it is equal to a. So it means we have already got the value a, it is equal to 5 by 3, for which we can say that this one it is a point which lies on the graphical representation of this one. Understood how we are solving each of the question by these 3 formulae? Understood and not understood? Now we will do the question number 4. Everyone, you just have to see the exercise 4.3 question number 4, and question number 4 has asked it into the different ways. Previously the linear equation of 2 variables were given and it was said you have to draw the graphical representation, but this question it is altogether different because the practical situation it is given. That situation you have to, from that situation you have to formulate the linear equation in 2 variables. you have to formulate the linear equation in two variables. Then after the linear equation in two variables, its graphical representation you have to do. It means two things it is to be done. First one, it is our linear equation formation. Next one, it is our graphical representation. Okay, so from this one also you will get one knowledge that how to formulate the linear equation in two variables. See this question I am doing. See, the taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is ₹8. So whenever you are traveling for the first kilometer, you just have to give 8 rupees. Then after, for the extra, how much you will go? For the extra means for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. It means, see, suppose you are traveling 2 kilometers, just see. Suppose you are traveling 2 kilometers, see. So it means the first 1 kilometer, always you have to give ₹8. One gun, then after how much kilometer it is left? Then after the remaining kilometer, it is about 2 minus 1, and for the remaining kilometer, it will be charged ₹5. So then after total it is equal to this one. First kilometer 8, then after the next it is 1 into 5 equal to 5, which is our 13. Understood? Suppose we are traveling 3 kilometer. See, suppose we are traveling 3 kilometer. So 3 kilometer means first kilometer it is ₹8. It means 1 into 8. It means 1 kilometer. First kilometer rupees it is 8. First kilometer means 1 kilometer gone. Then after how much more kilometer it is still to go? It is our 2. So 2 how you get? Because 3 minus 1. So it means 3 minus 1, it is our 2 it is left, and that 2 kilometer you will be charged for each kilometer, it is our 5. 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 2 into 5 equal to 10, here it is 8, which is our 18. So this one it is one of the particular case. This one it is one of the particular case, but here it is given that one of the general case we have to formulate. Listen, instead of a 2, instead of a 3, here it is given that suppose the distance covered equal to x kilometer. See, suppose the distance covered equal to x kilometer. Suppose the total distance covered equal to x kilometer. Okay, as the total distance it is x kilometer, listen, always the trick it was said, first kilometer you will be chargeable ₹8. So it means 1 kilometer means 1 into 8. You have to pay to the taxi driver 1 into 8. First kilometer 8 rupees. So out of x, 1 kilometer has gone. 1 kilometer has gone. Then after the remaining kilometer, remaining distance is x minus 1. X minus 1. It means because for the first kilometer you have already paid it as the 8. Then after the remaining, out of x, remaining kilometer it is x minus 1. So x minus 1, but for the remaining kilometer, per kilometer you have to give the ₹5. Ready? So total price equal to first kilometer charge, then after the remaining how much kilometer, x minus 1, its charge, remaining x minus 1, and its per kilometer charge it is equal to x minus 1 into 5. So total price equal to first kilometer charge plus remaining kilometer charge. Here it is equal to total kilometer charge, it is given that y. So here it is y rupees, here it is rupees. But whenever we will solve the equation, rupees I am cancelling from the each of the every term. So now the equation becomes, just to see, now the equation becomes, see, the equation becomes 1 into 8 equal to 8. Here it is, on opening the bracket, it becomes 5x minus 5, it is our y. Otherwise, once again I am solving it properly. See, 5x, y I am transposing to this side, 5x minus y. Here it is 8 minus 5, it is equal to 3, plus 3, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. So how to draw the graphical representation? See, before we need to do the graphical representation, see, first we have to formulate the table. First we must have to formulate the table. Here we are formulating the table. See, here it is the x, here it is y. Suppose we are putting it as the x is equal to 0. See, on putting x is equal to 0, y becomes 3. Y becomes 3. Okay. and on putting y is equal to 0, suppose y is equal to 0, it means you will get it as the x it is equal to minus 3 by 5. As you know that only 2 points it is sufficient to draw the graphical representation. One it is 0, 3, see. Here it is x-axis, here it is y-axis, here it is the origin. So here you can easily find here it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here it is also minus 1, minus 2, here it is also minus 3. So first one it is our 0, 3. So 0, 3 means 0, 3 point it is at here. 0, 3. Next one it is minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 means here. See, minus 3 by 5 means whenever 0 to minus 1 you are dividing it into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the 0 to 3 small division it is our minus 3 by 5, 0. So whenever you will join this one with this one, then after this line it will represent the graphical representation of 5x minus y plus 3, it is equal to 0. Ready? Suppose if you are feeling any uncomfortable on putting minus 3 by 5, here it is 0. Also you can put the another value also. It will be better. Suppose here it is 3, minus 3. Minus 3, here it is 7, suppose I am putting. Y is equal to 7 I am putting. 7, whenever I will put it as the y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 means minus 7, it will be better 8, put it as the 8 such that you will get a whole number. 8 whenever I am putting, minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5, so it means minus 5, right side 5x is equal to 5, x is equal to 1. Also one can find out 1, 8, it is also one of the solution. 1, 8 means 1, here it is 8, on this side also it will cross. Okay, so by putting any of the value, any 2 points it will be required. Any 2 points means any 2 of the solution it will be required. Understood? Now we will do the next question, and next question it is very interesting question. See in the question number 5. In the question number 5, here it is the 2 of the graphical representation it is given. Here it is the one line, here it is the another line. But here it is given that this one it is the graphical representation of which linear equation. Here are the option I, double I, third I, and IV. So here are the 4 linear equations in 2 variables are there. 4 linear equations of 2 variables are there, and here it is the graphical representation it is here. So it is asked that this one it is the graphical representation of which of the linear equation, whether this one, otherwise this one, otherwise this one, otherwise this one. As you know, we can call it as the this one it is the graphical representation of this one, otherwise this one, otherwise this one, otherwise this one, if the points are the solution of this equation. If the points are the solution of a first equation, this one satisfy, this one satisfy, this one satisfy. So then after we can say that this one it is the linear, this one it is the linear equation whose graphical representation is this one. Points lies on it means points are the solution. Points are the solution means points satisfies on putting the value x and y in the equation. So the same thing we will do the checking. Actually this one it is the points, this one it is the points, this one it is another point, it is also there. To check this one it is the linear equation of whom, one of the thing it was known to you that the points lies always the solution. Points lies is always the solution of the linear equation. So we have to check whether the points lies is the solution of this one, otherwise this one, otherwise this one, otherwise this one. Understood? Perfectly understood. So first we will check it for the first one. See, first one it is given that y is equal to x it is given. See, first I am putting here it is, see, here it is x equal to 1, y it is equal to minus 1, say x is equal to y, whether both are same, otherwise both are not same. Both are not same, perfectly it is seen. So for which 100%, after checking one you get confirmed that 100% this one it is not the solution of the first one. So we will check it for the second one. See, second one it is given x plus y it is equal to 0. x plus y it is equal to 0. This one it is the linear equations into variable. So first we have to check whether this one it is the solution. X means this one, y means minus 1. X minus y it is equal to 0. First point satisfies. Yes, this one it is the point or point satisfied for this equation. Then after 0 0, see 0 0 means this point whether it is satisfied for this or not. See 0 plus 0, yes it is for 0, it is also satisfies. Then after minus 1 and 1, see for the third one also I am checking, minus 1 and plus 1 it is also equal to 0. It means this point satisfies for this equation, this one it is the solution for this equation, also this one it is the solution for this equation. So for which double I we have got it as the double I we have got this one it is the linear equation whose graphical representation is that one. Okay, also we will check for the another one also. See, I am checking for the another one. See, y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x, third linear equation. Y is equal to 2x. See, suppose I am putting here it is the x, this one it is our y. On putting x it is at here, it means 2 into 1 equal to right side it is 2, but the left side it is y means minus 1. Check whether minus 1 it is same as 2 into 1 or how minus 1 it is same as the 2. So for which this one it is not the solution of the third equation. So for which third linear equation it is not a third equation, its graphical representation it is not this one. Another one I am checking, 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. Here I am putting, see, this one I need to check whether this one it is the solution for this one or not. 1 minus 1, 2 plus 3, y means minus 1. Is it equal to 7 into x means 7 or not? See, 2 plus 3 into minus 1 means minus 3. Here I am getting it as the minus 1, but right side it is 7. How minus 1 it is equal to 7? So for which this one does not satisfy this one. Otherwise 1 and minus 1 it is not the solution of this one. Failed at 1, it means all these points does not satisfy for this linear equation, also does not satisfy for this linear equation. So only one of the linear equation where this point, these points are the solution. Solution means all these points satisfied are there. Understood? First I it is over. Now I am showing you the double I. See, here the space I am making it as the vacant to do the rougher for the double I. See perfectly the double I. Here first equation I am considering y is equal to x plus 2 and I am checking does it satisfy for minus 1 and 3 or not. Minus 1 it is x and y it is 3. For minus 1 and 3 I am checking. This one it is x, this one it is our y. So y it is our left side it is 3, right side it is minus 1 plus 2. See, right side we are getting it as the 1, but left side it is 3. As the left side it is not same as the right side for the value minus 1 and 3. So for which this one it is not the graphical representation of our first linear equation. And then second linear equation I am choosing y is equal to x minus 2. Checking for the minus 1 3. Checking for the minus 1 3. See, here the x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3. See, 3 left side it is our 3 and right side 1 it is our, we got it as the minus 3. So it means on putting x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 3, the equation does not satisfy. So for which second equation, its graphical representation, it is not the given figure. Checking for the third one, y is equal to minus x plus 2. Also we have to start checking from the same point, minus 1 3. See, left side it is our 3, right side 1 it is our x means minus x. So it means x equal to minus 1, minus of minus 1 it is our 1 plus 2 it is our 3. So first point satisfied. This one it is a point on, this one it is the solution of this equation. Then after we have to check for the 0 2. See 0 2 also we need to check. 0 2 on putting x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Yes, left side it is also same as right side. Here it is also satisfied. Another one it is our 2 0. See 2 0. X it is our 2 minus 2. Here it is 2. Here I am putting. Okay. And here it is y means it is our 0. See minus 2 plus 2 it is our also 0. So for which on putting 2 0 equation satisfied, 0 2 equation satisfied, and minus 1 3 also equation satisfied. So for which third one it is the linear equation whose graphical representation it is that one. Also for your knowledge I am checking it as the for IV. For your knowledge I am checking the IV. See in the IV it is given that x plus 2y is equal to 6, and I want to check it for the minus 1 and 3. Is it a solution or not? In the left side I am putting x equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3. How much we are getting? Is it equal to 6 or not? Right side 6, left side how much? 3 to 5, sorry 3 to 6, 6 minus 1 it is equal to 5. Left side getting 5 but right side equal to 6. It means this one it is not a point of this linear equation. So for which the third one it is the linear equation in two variables whose graphical representation it is this one. Understood the logic? Understood the logic? How to check this one? It is the graphical representation of whom? Any point on that line we have to choose. That one you have to check for each of the linear equation. If that point satisfy for any of the linear equation, it means that linear equation is the it is our answer whose graphical representation is this one. Okay, so today you have to do the discussion, do the practice, also do the practice up to 5. Then in our next class we will do the discussion of the question number 6 onwards. Thank you. Have a nice day.